Welcome back, investors. Buckle up. APUS is on the move and the market is paying attention. Momentum is building. Big milestones are landing one after another. If you want a breakout biotech story, stay with me. This one sparkles. Meet APIMEDS Pharmaceuticals, a clinical stage biotech with a sharp focus on inflammation and non-opioid pain solutions. Their platform leverages innovative biology rooted in nature and advanced drug design. They are small, nimble, and clinical development focused. Their mission? Translate cutting-edge science into real treatments that can change lives. That vision has attracted talent, partners, and eager investors. APUS isn't a concept. It's a company moving from lab to clinic with fresh capital and strategic collaborations powering the next phase. There are three headline-making developments lighting up investor interest right now. First, APIMEDS completed its IPO and raised $13.5 million to accelerate clinical development. That capital infusion is a huge validation. It gives the company runway to advance programs and expand clinical work. Fresh cash equals momentum. Second, regulators are opening doors. The FDA has signaled a faster path for non-opioid pain drugs, and APIMEDS' APUS program sits right in that lane. This regulatory momentum is a major tailwind. A clearer pathway means faster timelines and heightened investor confidence. Third, smart partnerships are multiplying. APIMEDS announced a collaboration with the University of Oregon's Lundquist College of Business through the AI2 Futures Lab TMO program. That collaboration blends science, AI, and strategic thinking. It's a signal that the company is serious about innovation, data-driven product development, and real-world impact. Those three items together, strong financing, regulatory tailwinds, and academic partnerships, create a compelling trifecta for APUS. Let's connect the dots. First, the non-opioid pain market is massive and hungry for alternatives. With regulatory agencies prioritizing safer pain solutions, companies with credible pipelines stand to capture attention and market share. APIMEDS' APUS approach targets inflammation and pain in novel ways. That positions the company inside a growth corridor that investors and healthcare providers are watching closely. Second, the capital from the IPO provides runway to fuel clinical milestones, hires, and R&D. When a clinical stage biotech has both funding and a clear development plan, it accelerates timelines and investor interest. Third, academic and AI collaborations, like the AI2 Futures Lab partnership, push the company beyond traditional drug development. Data-driven insights, product design support, and strategic guidance from top institutions can streamline trials and sharpen go-to-market plans. Finally, leadership hires and team expansion strengthen execution. APIMEDS has been adding experienced leaders to steer product development and new divisions, signaling that the company is scaling with intention. Combine a hot market, funding, regulatory momentum, and strategic partnerships, and you have a market-facing company ready to move. Why are investors excited? Short answer, momentum that's measurable and credible. APUS now checks several boxes that investors love. Fresh capital, regulatory tailwinds for its lead program, and partnerships that bring expertise and visibility. Those are the building blocks for potential milestone-driven value creation. Think about it this way. Clinical milestones, positive trial signals, or regulatory progress can act as catalysts that re-rate a biotech quickly. APIMEDS has assembled the key levers that often precede value inflection points. Long-term, the company is not just chasing a single drug. It is building a platform and a portfolio aimed at addressing inflammation and pain with non-opioid solutions. If clinical results align with the promise, APUS could attract bigger partnerships, licensing opportunities, and broader market attention. That makes this an exciting watchlist pick. Keep APUS on your radar as a developing story with multiple paths to upside. There you have it. APIMEDS Pharmaceuticals is firing on multiple cylinders. Fresh IPO capital, a regulatory environment favoring non-opioid innovation, high-profile academic collaboration through the AI2 Futures Lab. Add leadership depth and a focused clinical program, and you have a recipe for momentum. If you're hunting for emerging biotech stories with real catalysts, APUS belongs on your watch list. Subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. I'll keep tracking APUS and bring you updates the moment the next milestone drops. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing,